Here are some more problems about the angles in a triangle. And the key thing to remember is that the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So all we have to do when we have a problem like this where we're given two angles and we have to find the other one is subtract from 180. So 180 minus the 41 minus the 98, you would get the answer for this one. It's going to be 41. And actually, there's something else going on in this triangle that, if you knew about it, would help you get this answer a lot more quickly. There's this line here and this line here. What those little hash marks, those little lines are saying is that these two sides are exactly the same length. And what that makes is an isosceles triangle. And in an isosceles triangle, the angle up here between the two sides that are the same is going to be whatever it is, but the other two angles are going to be the same. So an isosceles triangle has two sides that are same length and two angles that are the same. So if you knew that, you could have looked at this one and said, oh, n must be 41 degrees. Let's look at one more. In this one, we have a similar problem, except it looks like there might be no way to solve it because you're missing two angles. I see 54 degrees written here, but what are the other two? Here's x. Obviously, we don't know that one. And this one doesn't have anything written there, but there is this little symbol, this little box. That means that this is a 90-degree angle. So if you know that, you can just go ahead and write in 90 degrees, and then it's a piece of cake. You just subtract those two from 180. 180 minus 90 minus 54, and I think you would get 36 degrees on that one. So those are some problems about the sum of the angles in a triangle.